Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hello and welcome to another episode of News from the World of MBA. In today's episode, I'll be talking about the latest and much awaited IIM Bangalore selection criteria and how a new IIM has beaten the older IIMs to feature in the highly competitive and highly reputed Financial Times rankings. Let's dive in. IIM Bangalore has finally released the latest selection criteria for admission to its MBA batch of 2023. The selection criteria has seen no change compared to last year, and the institute continues to give a tremendous amount of importance to a candidate's profile. In fact, more weight is given to a candidate's profile than his or her CAT score. The minimum CAT 2020 overall percentile cutoff remains at the 85th percentile. The sectional cutoff for the VARC section remains at the 80th percentile, while the sectional cutoffs for the DILR and QN section remains at the 75th percentile. Amongst all the IIMs that have released their selection criteria so far this year, IIM Bangalore gives the lowest weight to a candidate's CAT scores, with the institute giving only 40% weight to a candidate's CAT 2020 score. IIM Bangalore will give 20% weight to a candidate's 10th marks, 10% weight to a candidate's 12th marks, and 20% weight to a candidate's graduation marks. This means that every single element of your academic profile will be considered for evaluation by IIM Bangalore. IIM Bangalore has given 8% weight to a candidate's work experience. Notably, candidates with greater than or equal to 36 months or 3 years of work experience will be given full marks for work experience. While creating the final admission shortlist, IIM Bangalore has assigned a 30% weight to the personal interview component, followed by a 25% weight for the CAT 2020 scores of a candidate. To understand the latest selection criteria and admission processes at IIM Bangalore as well as other top ranked IIMs, please do visit Inside IIM using the link given in the description. IIM Udaipur, a second-generation IIM established only around a decade ago, has become the youngest business school to feature in the latest Financial Times Masters in Management or MIM rankings of 2020. IIM Udaipur is also only one of 4 IIMs to feature in the latest FT MIM rankings, along with IIMs Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Calcutta. IIM Ahmedabad leads Indian business schools in the latest FT MIM rankings and is amongst the top 20 business schools in the world. IIM Calcutta has been ranked 21st and IIM Bangalore has been ranked 36th and shares this position with another top Indian business school, SPJIMR Mumbai. IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, ISB and SPJN have also made their mark in the QS Global MBA rankings released very recently. I've covered this in the previous episode, so please check that out for more details. GMAC Corporate Recruiters Survey of 2020, the proportion of recruiters looking to hire MBAs in 2021 is at 89%. The survey has revealed that 61% recruiters plan to keep their headcount stable in 2020 as compared to 17% who plan to decrease their headcount in 2020 and 22% who plan to increase it. Only 8% respondents to the survey have said that they have cancelled job offers that had been given to the graduates of the MBA class of 2020, and 4 times as many have reported delaying start dates. According to the report, the hiring of B School interns also remains steady as more and more recruiters adopt online or virtual experiences. About 89% of those who responded to the GMAC survey said that they will be hiring B School interns in 2020. You can read the latest GMAC Corporate Recruiters survey on the official GMAC website. With the COVID-19 induced recession in full bloom, business schools across the world have reported big increases in MBA applications. For example, at the Columbia Business School, there has been an increase of nearly 19% in year-on-year MBA applications. Rice University's Jones Graduate School of Business has seen a massive increase of 63% increase in MBA applications in the 2019-2020 admission season. The University of Virginia's Darden School of Business has seen a 25% increase, while the applications at the top-ranked Wharton School at UPenn has seen a 21% increase. A jump in applications has also been reported in European business schools. For instance, at the University of Oxford, applications have shot up by 35% this year, and the Imperial College reports that MBA applications have shot up by 41% this year. Applications to the full-time MBA program at Warwick Business School have seen a 56% increase. MBA students at some of the world's costliest and most prestigious business schools are facing buyer's remorse, spurred by COVID-19. According to a survey by Bloomberg Business Week of 3,500 MBA students across 95 programs in the world, students feel that the price tag attached to their respective programs was just not worth it. Amongst MBA students of the top 10 business schools in the world, 63% agreed that the price tag of their respective programs was not justified. Students enrolled at some of the most expensive schools in the world, that is, those schools that charge over $70,000 in tuition fees and other mandatory fees, felt strongest that their return on investment from online learning just was not worth it. The report also reveals that of those who responded, 74% MBA students responded negatively when asked how the pandemic affected their educational experience. That's all for today. I'll see you very soon with more updates from the world of MBA and business.
Hi guys, Inside IM has come up with an exciting new one-on-one mentorship product where you get to interact with superstar managers from different businesses, different functions. You can ask them everything around your career, your education, your future success. If you are interested, the link is in the description below. Thanks.